How to add a menu bar to your Google Sites. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, it's going to be a very basic tutorial on how to add a navigation bar, menu bar, whatever you want to call it, where you can just navigate through different pages. Now we can do it within the header itself, which is the navigation bar, and we can also add it from within the actual site itself down below, where we can add some text and make it as a menu bar basically. So it's just going to redirect them to another page. So it's actually very simple, and let's just go ahead and get to the video and show you exactly how to do it. So I have this example site that I have. Let me just make the header a little bit smaller so we can make it easier for ourselves here. So to add the navigation bar, it's actually very simple. Just click on the pages on the right panel here, and you would need at least 2 different pages in order to have this navigation bar, obviously. So just go ahead and create another page. Give it any name. So I'm just going to name it About Us. I'm just going to click on Done. And as you can see, we already have our navigation bar. So we can just go ahead and do more. So we can just add Contact Us page, and it's going to be added to the navigation bar, and any other page here as well, you can just make it appear to the navigation bar. Now what if you actually want to create a page, but at the same time you don't really want it to be to appear on the top here? So it's not really as important. Maybe it's a specific blog or something. So we can just go ahead and do that. We can just add the page test, and we don't want test to appear on the navigation bar. It's very simple. Just click on the 3 dots next to it, and then from here I just want to select hide from navigation, and just like that we can just go ahead and feel free to adjust these pages to our liking, where we can just feel free to move around between them and change whether we want it to appear on the navigation bar or not. Now each page now is going to have this text and so on, but it's not really our topic right now. Now what if you wanted to add some sort of text at the bottom, which is also going to redirect people to different pages? It's very simple. You would just want to create some text and link it to other pages. So for example, let's say the home page is just going to link to these 3 pages. I'm just going to click on the insert option, and I'm just going to add text box, and I'm just going to add another one and just another one, so it's 3 different pages. So the first text box, I'm just going to write About Us, and the second one is going to be Contact Us, and then the last one is going to be the blog page. Now you can customize how it's going to look like according to you, whether you want it to be next to each other or like this. I'm not really going to worry much about the style of it. So what I'm going to do is select the text here for About Us, and what we want is just click on Insert Link and select the actual page we want to link, which is About Us in this case, and click on Apply. Same goes for this one, which is Contact Us. Highlight it, click on the link, select Contact Us, click on Apply. And last one for the blog, select it, insert link, blog, and then apply. And now it should be working. Whenever someone actually clicks on that, I would need to publish it and preview it, but you can trust me on this. When someone actually clicks on this, it's going to take them to About Us. Same goes for Contact Us and blog. So this is pretty much how to create your menu navigation bar on your Google Sites. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.